We're going to learn how to say our age in Spanish. In Spanish, we don't use the verb to be to say our age. We don't use ser or estar. Instead, we use the verb tener, meaning to have. The formula for saying our age is a conjugated form of the verb tener plus a number plus the word años, which means years. An example is tengo 7 años, which means I am 7 years old. The literal translation is I have 7 years. Tengo is one conjugation of the verb tener, meaning I have. You have, singular informal, is tienes. He, she, it has, or you have, singular formal, is tiene. We have is tenemos. You have, plural informal, is tenéis. This conjugation is widely used in Spain, but not in Latin America. Tienen is the other way to say you have in plural, and is also the way to say they have. Here are all the conjugations of tener in the present tense. Tengo, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tenéis, tienen. How do we say you are 10 years old if we use the singular informal conjugation? Tienes 10 años. Tienes 10 años. How do we say she is 10 years old? Ella tiene 10 años. Or tiene 10 años. If it's already clear that we're talking about her, then we don't need to say ella. We don't need a pronoun. Let's go through how to say the numbers from 0 to 100 in Spanish. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. For the numbers ranging from 21 to 29, we say 20, followed by the number of the last digit. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. For numbers between 30 and 99 that don't end in 0, we add the word y, meaning and, between the number of the second to last digit and the number of the last digit. 36, 83. Now try to say your age. Tengo años. How do we say her mom is 48 years old? Su mamá tiene 48 años. Su mamá tiene 48 años. The baby is 1 year old. El bebé tiene 1 año. El bebé tiene 1 año. We are 92 years old. Tenemos 92 años. Tenemos 92 años. To ask for someone's age, the formula is ¿cuántos años? Plus a conjugation of the verb tener. For example, ¿cuántos años tienes? How old are you? Singular informal. ¿Cuántos años tiene él? How old is he?